Parehas lang.
Oh, bago yung...
Sino daw yung girlfriends mo? They are your girlfriends. They love you. Pero feeling ko kasi di ba tayo nanonood tayo ng PBB, pinaglalapin natin sila. Pero are you aware that you are being paired? Paired up? The viewers, they think you are in love with each other. Kaya nakikita nyo lahat ng mga banners, may bailona, because in the outside world, love team na kayong dalawa. You are a love team. Are you aware?
It was a massive banner.
Yes!
It was massive.
Massive banner!
It was like the size of
Basahin mo, can you read that? Ito. Kasi nagpa-flash yung mga taas, akin lang si Bailey. Franco, ano masasabi mo sa dalawang ko? Pero may share sa amin na hindi namin napanood. Ano sila inside the house na hindi namin napanood? Silang dalawa. O palagi na nagkakabula, no? Nakikita mo namin yun. Nagkikilitian. Pero wait lang ha. Alam ko, James, natanong na to ng ilang beses sa'yo, pero pagbigyan natin si @bebang_16. Ano